Welcome to the at and another course of uh, Imlike YouTube channel. So this is part of intuitive statistics for you. So here we are gonna learn about descriptive statistics. So this descriptive statistics is a part of intuitive exploratory data analysis for you course. So in that we have seen introduction to statistics, then we will be looking into the descriptive statistics. So in this we'll be seeing what is descriptive statistic and in what all fields it can be applicable. So how does data scientist leverage descriptive statistics in model building and model evaluation and in overall in the model ecosystem in modeling ecosystem of data science and artificial intelligence. Then we will also be seeing various components of descriptive statistics such as measures of central tendency, measures of variability, measures of shape, measures of association, so forth, and so on and so forth. So this is what the descriptive statistics. And where are we now? So in intuitive statistics and probability for data scientist course, this is what the overall course, which is part of MLike YouTube channel. In that, so far, you might have done introduction to statistics or introduction statistics, which is part of exploratory data analysis for you, IEDA for you. In this, we have completed this introduction statistics where we have learned about variables, data types, levels of measurements, sample and population. So then in continuation to that, so now here we will be looking into the descriptive statistics. So the introduction statistics and descriptive statistics cumulatively makes up a course called intuitive exploratory data analysis for you. So I request you to first do the introduction to statistics, which is named as IEDA for you, and once that is done, then you just move on to the descriptive statistics. Once you complete this whole course, then you will be moving on to the intuitive sampling distributions for you. So here we'll be learning about sampling methods and sampling distribution. Once that is done, then we will go for the intuitive inferential statistics for you. So here we'll be looking into the hypothesis testing, statistical experiments and significance testing. Once you are done with the statistics, then we will be jumping into the probability. So here in intuitive probability for you course, we will be looking into the probability theories and also probability distributions. With this, we can conclude the intuitive statistics and probability for data scientists. Then we will jump into machine learning. Then we will jump into the deep learning. That's what is our roadmap for artificial intelligence in this YouTube channel. This is all for you, for you, for you.